Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of United Airlines, the Star Alliance, our global partners, and especially this Continental in-flight crew, would like to be the first ones to welcome you to the Liberty International Airport here in Newark, New Jersey, where the local time is approximately 11:45. We will be in transit for the next few minutes, so we'd like to ask you to please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. We're parked at the gate area and lights come to full bright. Once the captain has done so, that'll be the only indication you'll be free to move about the cabin. If you're going to be retrieving any articles from the overhead compartments, we'd like to ask you to please exercise extreme care when doing so, as heavy articles tend to shift during our landing. Once reaching the gate area, there will be a representative awaiting this flight. He or she may answer any questions, doubts, or concerns you may have regarding United services, baggage claim, as well as connecting gate information. It's been a sincere pleasure to have you on board this morning. This afternoon. We do know you have a choice in air travel. We really hope to serve you in the near future in another United Airlines flight. May have a pleasant stay here in Newark, New Jersey, or wherever your final destination may take you. As a reminder, the use of photographic equipment as well as mobile phones is strictly prohibited in the customs and immigration halls. However, at this time, the use of approved electronic devices is permitted. Once again, thank you for choosing United Airlines. Enjoy your stay here in Newark, New Jersey, wherever your final destination may take you. Thank you.
Meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen in Newark. Die lokale Ortszeit beträgt gerade 11:47 Uhr. Bitte bleiben Sie noch so lange angeschnallt sitzen, bis wir unsere endgültige Parkposition erreicht haben und das Anfahrtzeichen über Ihnen erleuchten ist. Bitte seien Sie dann vorsichtig beim Öffnen der oberen Gepäckfläche, da sich der Inhalt während des Fluges verschoben haben könnte. Falls Sie einen Weiterflug mit United haben, wir werden unser Bodenpersonal dieses Flug treffen. Name ist United, der Kapitän und seine ganze Besatzung. Wir bedanken Sie, dass Sie heute mit uns geflogen sind und wir hoffen, dass Ihnen der Flug mit uns gefallen hat, dass wir Sie recht bald wieder an Bord begrüßen dürfen. Vielen Dank, auf Wiedersehen.
Ja, dahin. Wir machen einfach. Kleine Zeit.